video. Okay, welcome gamers to another Minecraft video.
We have enchanted armor!
And this is my very old world that I play in mini world. So, yeah. Shut up.
See Aiden, in-game player names.
Okay. Anyway,
I am joining! Joining! I made this for them!
yeah, it's kind of weird.
It's a prison.
Don't worry, you can go.
You guys.
I'm really trying to
That doesn't hurt them because they're.
And when I say shut up, I mean the drums. Shut up. I won't give you your breakfast. You're welcome. Also, guys, we
Can
got
you forbid Aiden?
2 diamonds.
Diamond! I made a diamond pick.
Okay, we have to make new torches. We
I
need
made
a
it.
lot of torches. So,
Okay, guys, we're going to cut some trees. And Yotoku joined the game, baby. And then going to cut that with... Oh, I got a sapling. Oh, not mine.
I made
Okay.
oh wait, there's more wood, remember?
No, let's just...
destroy this drum.
Okay, down there.
Okay, Aiden. Somebody must be the bait. Remember our promise that somebody must go in there, put their stuff in the chest, and one must sacrifice so that their boat can be open.
Nah, it's okay.
Please.
So you want to kill the drowned?
No, I don't want the boat.
Wait, Eden. Let's go to the field, Eden. You want to go to the
Hey
field?
guys, you know that I'm Yotoku and my powers is glitch. Okay, I'm gonna put my
Okay, hi, glitch.
I know my powers is glitch.
Then I just need you glitch, like some Wreck-It Ralph. Let's go.
I don't like it.
I dare. Hey, don't take that. This is mine.
I have so many stuff. Don't take anything.
Okay,
Okay,
then
guys.
craft something.
Let's just use the blast furnace.
No! What?
Oh yeah, we have coal right here, so cook.
No, it doesn't cook. It only works in furnaces or smokers.
Oh, can it? Yeah. Okay.
I got arrows in the chest, but you can't take it.
Yeah, we have.
Or else I dare to kill you.
Okay, guys, gamers, we're going to go mining.
The drums are our
We
friend.
made a new mine. Hey,
The
quiet
drums
you.
are our friend.
Ah no, Yotoku, I'm going to help you. Oh yeah. No. Never mind.
Don't.
Just let him live. Just let him live.
Hey, where are you going?
No, we kill him.
I can't
Yeah,
kill
too late.
him. Bye
Too late.
bye.
Goodbye.
You've been stuck in that prison forever, finally. And now at least you're. Don't go in the water.
Oh, the water is blocked.
I'm hungry.
Okay, bro.
Hungry.
Okay, I'll give you a few. Wait.
More pure. Oh wait, my stuff.
Okay, here, I give you some pots. Oh, I got all of it. Hey,
Okay,
get them.
you got 3 left.
Oh no, I got 3 left. Okay, it's okay. Let's go mining. guys.
Tomorrow. Okay, we got a new mine in this mine.
Okay, we went everywhere, so we just did
Dig down.
until Cardinals
12.
white,
So-
white 12, so we can get diamonds.
and we found a new cave system. Wow, this is so dark.
Of course, look at the screen, gamers.
Okay.
I made.
We made a tunnel, then we found this cave.
Oh, there's Yotoku. Hi, Yotoku.
Okay, wait.
Jinx. There. No,
Wait,
shut up.
where's the exit?
Oh, this is where
There's a lava pond.
that's a lava river.
Lava river. Okay, wait. Don't go here.
Okay, I'll squat, so I'll just go mine it.
Why did you give me 15?
Oh no, the lava river. Is this a lava river? No.
Okay, we got redstone.
My inventory is already full. I'm gonna put the useless stuff.
Oh wait.
Oh,
Save
we
that.
got-
Save that. Save the stone.
Okay, so I'll use this.
We cannot save the redstone, I think.
No, yes we can.
No, don't. No.
We are
No.
doctors.
No.
We're doctors.
I told you use iron.
Oh yeah.
And now they're gone.
I really want that banana.
Wait, Eden, stop. Cover this up. We cover this up. Then you mine it again. See? No, nothing else.
Love your new home.
Wait. And also one more thing. Block this exit. Madness hole.
Okay, hold up. Sorry, guys.
Where are you guys at? Are you at the bridge? Are you at the stair mines?
Yeah.
Why did you win?
Oh my god.
It's hard to get out.
Iron.
How are you? Okay, goodbye. Let's get out.
No, I'm going to find adventure.
No. Yeah, I know. Let's get out from these mines.
Let's try to adventure here. Oh, there's coal. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you very much. Yum, yum, yum.
We need a new stone pickaxe.
Yeah, stone pickaxes are stronger than gold pickaxes.
Actually, gold pickaxes are faster.
Oh no, I'm mining like everything. They give me that. Like, oh.
Okay.
Oh, I have stone. I forgot about that.
Stone is a
Thank
bit
you very
slower.
much. Yum, yum, yum.
Hello, I can pray.
Hello, headless man.
Okay, another lava river.
I'm gonna go find that.
Wow, redstone.
I didn't
Oh,
get.
yeah.
I didn't get.
Yay! Let's make it glow. No, I want all of it. I want all the redstone. I want all the
It's so
redstone, guys.
dangerous,
Gamers.
guys. It's so dangerous. Let me use my pickaxe.
Yay!
Okay,
Oh, look, a lava river.
wait, no. We explore other places of the cave, not the lava river.
I know. Later, I'm going to just go there. But
Oh, here.
okay, let's use our torches. Oh, hello, Cole. Maybe FF.
Wait, don't take it all yet. Explore first.
You're right. Okay, gamers, we found lapis. I got an iron pickaxe.
I want to do it.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
I mine for you, but you will get it. Okay. I got a stone. I got a stone. Okay, now we can go to the other river.
Wait, let's go that way. See?
I got 20.
Okay, gamers. It's only the night, so it's a risky way to get out. So I'm just going to keep mining.
I'm on the boat. I'm on the boat.
I found so many iron and redstone.
Wait. I saw another cave, Eden.
What is that
Above
frog
you.
doing?
See? Wait, is that a cave?
No, it's not a cave. It's a ceiling. Oh, water!
Water.
Finally, we can drink.
Wait, be careful. It's a death trap.
Oh, this is an easy way to go in now.
Oh my god, so dark.
I hope I find my way.
Guys, I
Wait!
drowned.
Why obsidian?
Obsidian!
Guys, help. Aiden, don't come up. I freed the drown.
Wait.
Oh no, our prisoners are gone. We have to block the lava.
Eden, obsidian!
I know, I'm coming down.
We found a lot.
Okay, I'll do it. God, my
Finally, we almost can make a portal to the Netherlands, which is just a country.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay,
let's
then.
explore more. Go up there.
Okay,
Where are you guys at?
we'll signal you.
Aiden, there we go.
Come on, Kaden. I'm coming.
Wait, where did we come from?
Here. Kaden, I'm here. I can see your name tag. Okay, gamers.
We
Finally.
found Yotaku.
And now it's somewhere over here. I found more cave systems.
No, not there. Right? It's right there, right?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Come on, Kaden. Are you? Yep, there you are. I think it's somewhere here. No, this is the lava river. Did we lose that place?
Don't tell me. You have to follow every single torch. I thought there's a gravel place, remember?
No,
Where?
here.
Here. You still hungry?
Yes,
Yes.
come on. Yotaku, I'm at the front. Down that cave. Oh, not that cave. Down that cave.
This cave.
Oh, there's a dumb of that right there.
Wait,
Oh,
there's
there's iron.
iron.
Whee! Here. Well, we just get iron. Okay. That's why mining is fun. Not really. You can die by lava. But still. Up. Oh no. Okay, gamers.
We got obsidian.
Gamers, we found plenty of supplies. What is this? What is this? An open door.
No.
Okay.
Okay. I'm
That's
gonna
mine.
get some food. Let's eat some gold. No, I'm just kidding. Let's eat some fish.
We're hungry, yes. Okay,
Let's
mine
just
this
get-
first. Iron, we can make armor. There's more.
Oh, sorry, gamers. Hold on. Okay, gamers. I'm going to find Yotoku mining the obsidian. Woo! Let's slide down. And that cave is still not.
It's not yet cleared. Maybe now. Oh,
Have fun. So
is this peaceful, Eden?
nope. Dead end.
Wait, no. Is there any? I thought I saw iron there.
This is iron.
No, at the end,
There is iron.
over there.
Nope. No, there's none. Okay, gamers. Yotoku, do you get all the things you need? How many do you got? That could be enough. So, because we're going to leave this place maybe forever. I don't know.
We will never leave the place. Oh, here. I remember this
Or
lava.
Jose. Oh yeah, we have to go here. I guess.
It's there.
Oh, there. Okay. No.
Okay, so that still need to be explored.
Here, Yotoku.
So
Let's go down.
that place also need to be explored.
Woo! Finally. Okay, gamers.
It's morning.
Okay, I'll try to make a flint and steel.
I already got one flint and steel.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, then I'll teach you I'll show you what to do.
Okay, let's do this. Fish.
Okay, then.
Put two obsidians on the ground.
You like this?
Yeah. Put two other blocks and obsidian. Not
Gamers!
Wait, don't go in.
Don't go in yet, don't go in yet.
We need to get swords.
I already got sword. Oh, sorry. We need food.
Yeah, we need to bring food. We gotta get
We need more food. We even catch anything.
Gotta go fishing.
No, the only thing we have
Fish all the time.
you brew them to make poison, I think. No, wait, it's to
Let's
make
a
weakness.
furnace. Or let's get gold.
We're gonna find the gas.
Oh, you can make
Okay.
you want to make a diamond sword, or you want to save the one for enchantment tables?
Guys, this is going to be probably
I think
dangerous,
enchantment
so we are
table.
going to bring obsidian.
Hey, guys. Hey. Okay.
We're going to bring cobblestone.
Beware that the nether is a dangerous place. No, wait, get a new sword in case if that breaks.
So I have to cook more iron.
No, I thought you have a lot of iron. Piglin.
Say that again.
How do I look?
You look like your butt is broken. You look like your butt is already broken.
No, it looks like that, but you put an iron rifle.
Are you ready, Kaden?
No, I need to make a
Should I break it?
No, you cannot break it.
I know. Okay, come on, come on. Our first.
Let's fish in the nether. How do you know?
Yeah, yeah, it's on.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to the nether together. I'm scared.
Okay, my heart is beating very fast. Okay, come on, let's jump. My first time going to the nether and surviving. So long. Ah,
Oh,
Oh my diamond! Oh my stuff!
I think you should not. Wait.
My stuff!
I think you should not. Wait. Sorry, Kaden.
okay, I'll make it peaceful. I'll give you everything. It's peaceful.
My arms got
Thanks for watching.
Sad.